Oh, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to connect your MacBook Air to your Android phone. All right. So, on your mobile phone, you need to open the Zender. If you downloaded the app, open it first. So once that is done, then you can see the menu. You click on the menu here to select connect PC. Okay, so once you do that, it's if you look at step one says go setting, network, internet, hotspot, create hotspot. So you need to create hotspot. Step 2 is to connect your PC to the Wi-Fi network. So let's do the first step. The first step, we need to create, you go down mobile hotspot. So I'm going to create that. All right, so that is on now. Step 2, I said connect your PC to the Wi-Fi. So right now we're on the PC. So let's go to the Wi-Fi. This is the name of the hotspot. So you select it, make sure it is connected to the Wi-Fi of the mobile phone. The mobile phone you create the hotspot on your mobile phone, then your MacBook Air connects to that hotspot. Okay, so that is the second step. So once that is done, we'll now go to the third step, where we need to type in the address 192.168 dot whatever it's going to show. So once the system is connected to the hotspot, we're going to automatically see the remaining numbers that we have to connect to. So this is how I connect my MacBook Air to my phone. So I do transfer videos or files from my MacBook Air into my mobile phone. This is the easiest way, and this doesn't consume any data. So even as it progresses, you'll see that it is absolutely data free. You don't need any data to do this. Sometimes it takes this long, sometimes it's like connects very fast. The reason being that it is already connected to a Wi-Fi already. So in order for you to disconnect from that one, that's what is taking longer time. So if not, it would have connected. So let it just connect. Once it connects, we'll see the remaining numbers. 192.168, we can see that now. All right, so it is connected to the Wi-Fi. You'll know that you can see that the blue sign is now active. All right, so let us quickly type. Okay, we're supposed to have gotten the remaining figures here. I will show it is connected. Of course it is connected now. So we're supposed to get the remaining numbers here. Okay, because we've not clicked set. Let's see, let's make sure that our phone has registered that it is connected. Yes, the phone has registered that it is connected now. So the remaining digits are now out. So 192.168. Since I've done this before, I already have it 168.114.142. Make sure that you can type this in if for the very first time. It's because I've done this before, that's why I could see this. Sometimes it could vary. You could see that this number is different from this particular address. So it depends. Normally it gives me either of this. So just click on it. Then on your phone you will see connect PC. You have to click on accept on your phone. Now you're clicking on your phone. All right, so confirm. That's it. So it is connected. You can see. So finally, okay, yeah, so it is connected. Yeah, so that's how to connect your MacBook Air to your Android phone. All right, then if you want to, I think the other thing you can learn from other video, probably how to transfer file and all that. Okay, let me just show you. Let's say you have a video, this is for picture, this is for video, maybe some other video, but let me just show you. So here you click on upload, then you can make your transfer. Anyway, this video is purposely just for what it has done. So see some other time. Please do like my video and give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.